Hey man, you know what I'm saying? We got us a throwback Biz Anger, the GOAT. One of the YouTube sets of GOATs. VanossGaming. Motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Shit, what up, Dina? How you doing? How you doing, ma'am? How you doing? And without further ado, let's get straight to it, man. Try not to laugh, John?
Next time on Dragon Ball Z.
Vegeta said my chromosomes are over 19. Oh, are you mad? Yeah. Why? Because I can't see my forehead.
I put my eyes like this so I can see enemies coming from any direction. Always expect the unexpected.
Yeah, I know. Look at his eyes rolling back and forth.
Sit down, you fuck.
Oh my god. He like bounced off the floor when you shot him. That was fucking amazing.
Look at Nappa. He looks so fucking
Hey,
horrified.
shit, he's back. Sit the fuck down.
Sit the fuck down, Nappa. Oh, you motherfucker.
That feed. On this episode of Dragon Ball Z, Goku
boy.
summons the Spirit Bomb.
Look at his face.
You think you could take me out,
It's about to
Goku?
get real.
Hey guys, I learned a new attack while training. It's called Special
Here we go.
Needs Cannon.
Wow.
Oh shit, dude.
Watch. And Nappa uses. Wait, hold on. What was it?
Well, that was super.
And Piccolo uses. What was it? Was it called special? And Piccolo uses special beam cannon.
What the fuck is
I
that?
heard someone. I heard like a woman grunt.
Fuck, man.
Doritos uses RPG.
Alright.
The Terminator's
Hey, I'm gonna
got
do
the
3
new
laughs,
sound.
alright? That's fine with you? Alright.
My boy.
I'm talking over it.
Doritos uses RPG.
You got it, Zeph. You got it, bro.
The Terminator's got a new son. Meet my boy.
Terrorizer
this
is a
is so
fucking
weird.
idiot, bro. Okay, bro.
Why did he change?
Yep.
What is that laugh?
Oh my god! Oh my god! My stomach! I've never laughed this hard in my entire life. My stomach! Get the fuck!
Stop laughing.
Dude, there was a solid 30 seconds of me laughing without making noise.
Fucking. Wildcats laugh,
I don't understand this. Is Superman simultaneously kicking Nappa in the ass and shooting a 3-pointer?
bro. Oh my gosh, bro.
I'm not
Stop,
finished,
bro.
okay?
It's just Kobe.
Kobe, get your ass kicked at the same time, bitch.
Do you realize how weird our fucking subscribers are gonna think we are? Like, are you guys like,
This shit
say,
is
hey, I
nuts,
post
bro.
video game content. What do? We make ragdolls have sex with each other, put their foots up each other's asses.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, God.
Oh no, oh no, oh no.
What is wrong
What are we doing with our lives to get to this point?
This is where I got my Yoda from.
Why did you not?
Wipe did you not?
Bad does it smell? Please don't use the force.
Oh my gosh, bro.
So this is the dark side.
Oh shit, yep. Yep.
Make love, we will.
I want to take a picture.
Balls deep, you'll go.
Look at her. Look, she's
Fuck is happening?
Oh my god.
What the hell is
What is
actually
going
happening?
on? Is she called? What is that?
And that is why you don't fuck women on their periods.
Shaking his briefcase. He's like
Hey,
jerking
don't get
off.
close. Don't get close.
The fuck?
Just
Oh shit. Yep.
Hey, nacho cheese.
Very G.
You like fitness?
Fitness.
How
I
about
mean-
fitting this dick in your bag?
Oh shit. Oh
Jesus.
shit.
But you fit this dick in your bag.
Yes, girl. Yes.
The Joker's getting
This
his
is
dick
just
sucked.
fucking hilarious, man.
Where's Batman at?
Alright, man. Alright. Hold on. Hold on. What y'all know? What y'all know? Hold on. What y'all know? Hold on. What y'all know? Hold on. Damn. Oh my gosh. What a banger channel, man. Where the niggas with childhoods, you know what I'm saying? Comment VanossGaming gang. Comment Vanoss crew or something. Matter of fact, nah, fuck all that. Comment your favorite Vanoss crew member. Damn. I got him with that one. Hold on. Who's your favorite member? Let me see. Let me see who's. Alright. Streaming. You know what I'm saying? Twitch.tv/AirNY motherfucking C. Without the motherfucking. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? If you don't feel what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, feel. Huh? But there it is. The motherfucker is silent. I agree. There we go. That's what I meant. That's what I really meant. All right. Amen. Amen. Say amen. All right.